Welcome in the kitchen. So glad y'all are here. Y'all have joined me in my kitchen. Some of you all have asked about my garlic that I get out of the freezer. So I wanted to do y'all a quick little video and show you how I do my garlic. This is what I buy right here at Sam's. And this thing weighs 3 pounds. 3 pounds of fresh peeled garlic. Okay? This is what I do with it. So easy. Bring y'all down so you can kind of see a little bit. Here's the food processor. Right here. Can y'all still see? Put about half of that bag in there, just like that. And we're just going to chop it up real fine. Okay, there you go. How quick was that? All right, now then, bring y'all over here just a little bit so you can kind of see. Bring y'all up and down on this so that way you can see everything. All right, then I just take, this is a small 1 tablespoon cookie scoop right here. And I do it right like that. And I just scoop all this out. Just like that. This is parchment paper lined cookie sheet. Just like so. You can put them on there as close together as you want to. And you can do it 1 tablespoon or 2, but I tend to like the ones because you can always grab 2 of them and it's a little harder to break one of them in half. Then this is going to go in the freezer. And I try to get it down on there really good, mashed in there good and tight. This will save my shoulder. Try to bring it up on the side and get it mashed down in there really good so that it'll hold together. Okay? Then once this freezes, that's when I then bring them apart, and they're all in their little 1 tablespoon portions. That one's not quite a whole tablespoon portion. Okay. We don't have to get every little drop out this time because we're going to put some more in there. But you want to get them good and mashed down there good. Then you've always got good fresh garlic for whatever you're making. Okay. Okay, y'all, there's all of our little pucks of garlic. That's 3 pounds of fresh, minced, chopped, whatever y'all want to call it, garlic. My kitchen smells like garlic. It does. Let's see how many we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 88 tablespoons of garlic. I'm going to put this out in the freezer, and then when it gets frozen solid tomorrow, I'll bring it back in, and I'll pick up all these one at a time, drop them in one of my big resealable bags, reusable Ziploc bags, and I'll put them, put them in a reusable Ziploc baggie and pop them in my freezer. And then I need garlic, I just pull them out, however many I need for whatever recipe I'm making. This is quick and easy to do, and you've always got good fresh garlic, and it's not going bad. It's not, you don't have to peel it every time. And, I don't like to do that. If I'm doing stuff like that, I like to do a whole lot of it, and then I've got it already prepped. My meals are easier to get together and everything. So I know you mamas that work out there probably don't have the time to do that. But this takes about 10 minutes. You can do that, whenever you buy your groceries. If you want to use fresh garlic, this is a really easy way to do it and to keep it. You can just freeze those cloves of garlic just like they are. I have done that. Bring them out, heat them in the microwave, thaw them out for a few seconds, run them through a garlic press. But I hate to clean a garlic press. And this is just so much easier. So this is the way I do it. And some of y'all had asked what I got out of the freezer when I said I needed garlic, and it looked like this, and it didn't look like garlic to you. This is what it is right here. There you go. There's our garlic. I'm going to run it out to the freezer, and I'm going to end this video right here. So y'all remember, as always, like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.